from Beauty Forever Hair. So they sent over this beautiful, gorgeous, curly frontal unit. I have bleached the knots already. And then you see this natural curl pattern that we have going on through here. I kind of wanted to leave it because I have a method in my head that I want to do with this hair, and I'm hoping it's going to come out right. So let's just go ahead and get into this installation process. I have kind of like pre-colored this cap that you see here. I put a little makeup on it. I got a little black spot there, so we can ignore that for the time frame. But yeah, let's go ahead and get installed. So I like that the lace is already kind of a little tinted. It actually has more of a brown effect to it. I don't know if you guys can see that, how well it blends into my skin. And I am filming in natural light, so hopefully this looks okay to you guys. Okay, so let's see. We're going to start off with the hot comb.